Back. Okay, guys, I am back. Got 12 minutes of whopping record time now. And it seems like it's interested in me now. Hopefully it is anyway. Stay there. Come over me. Oh my god. What the heck is this thing doing? Hopefully it comes down my street. Look at that whopping engine in this thing. Today was meant to be a wax melt review, but then I saw the plane and thought to record it. I want whoever the suspect is to come down my street, because look how low this thing's getting as it's turning. And imagine this thing just running over, go. Nah, that'd be amazing. That would. But I want to be quiet, guys, so you can hear the proper sound on this thing. These babies are lush; they make a good sound. So, yeah. Police helicopter. If the police are watching this, thank you for doing this. But it may be a hard job for them. Okay, it's hovering. I thought it was coming my way, but it's hovering right there. It may look smaller in this, but in person it's low as heck. And I'm sorry that this video's kind of boring. You know? There's something going on, because it's the helicopter making distress signals. If you don't know, they've installed this new alarm on it where they would pull it, and that's the police sending them distress signals. And I was like, so it means it's found the target. Oh no, I think the target's me. Now it's flying over on me. There we go. Thank goodness. Gotta squat. It may look wrong to the police. This thing's getting lower. Oh my Jesus, have mercy. No, but seriously. No. This thing's coming back over again, which I'm happy. It means like the suspect is trying to find me. I think the helicopter's thinking that the suspect's trying to find me. Maybe it is. Maybe the suspect is trying to find me. everything's tilting, bro. Helicopters are scary in my neighborhood because they can go out of control quite easily. They can start spinning out of control, spiraling, they say, out of control. And that could lead to death or injuries, but it's most likely death in these stupid things because how loud they are, and they pretty much. This helicopter though has been it's been getting a good warping view of me. Look at that! 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 Might be the end. Oh, thank goodness. But why would it do? Oh, so it's coming. What the heck? No way, is it doing this now? It's doing it again. Is it coming to me? It's gonna go overhead, I bet you. 100% it's coming overhead. Over my top of my head, I bet you 100%. See if I'm right, Feel the wind. Yeah, these guys are taking a mick. Now this is really, I've been recording and these videos even get merged together, and this is gonna make like a flipping hour worth of recording when it's not really doing anything interesting, just hovering, which I'm about to end the video and watch it in person. But if it was lower, I would be a little bit more happier. If it got really low and decided to come over, that would be content. But no, the content right now for him is hovering, which it's doing nothing. It's doing nothing. You need to go low. I think they think I'm drunk. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! You can see because I'm shaking because of the phone. Shaking over and over again, but I am shaking legitimately. But at this point, things are getting serious at this point now for me. This is signs of the helicopter. Definitely, I think I'm the suspect right in this hand. Because it keeps on hovering over my... I can feel the wind, but it ain't that low, I know. Nope. I think I'm the suspect here, guys. Do you think I'm the... It may look like I'm holding a gun. Yeah, a kid behind the camera told me when you have a tripod, it makes it look like you're holding a gun. Dude. I think I'm the suspect. Dude, I think I'm the suspect. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, this is getting creepy now. Oh! Yeah, I'm the suspect here. No, I'm the suspect, I can tell. I'm the suspect here, guys. I may be overreacting to you, but this has been hovering now forever, and oh nuts. I think I remember I did a prank call on the police a long time ago, and I think they're coming back now for revenge on me. Because it said, ah, my gosh, I just legit hurt myself. I hurt myself. Is it coming again? I'll stay here and I want to get my gun. Try and see if I can convince it to get lower for it to say, drop the gun. No, that's really the only time they'll use a big speaker and say drop the gun, sir, or something like that. And that's fucking America. That's America, alright? It's called drop the guns. It's called drop the gun, mate, in this country. A police say, "What's up, mate?" And I say, "What the hell?" I say hi to the BMW truck. He's coming, guys. He's coming again for more. No, I'm the suspect here. What is he doing? That's interesting right there. That's interesting what just done. It's known as a wet. And that's when the police officers are gonna earn to get some more extra record time.